Dear student, today the topics of our class is tag. Tag question is an important item of our examination. You will have to answer 5 questions of this item and it bears 5 marks. So, whenever we will make a tag, then you will find 2 parts. One part is the statement and the another part is tag. Now, she is a student, comma dash জিজ্ঞাসা চিহ্ন. This is the statement and you have to answer this blank. Whenever you will make a tag question, then you need subject and helping verb. Though it is a question, then you have to write down the helping verb first and then the subject. So here is the helping verb is. Then you can write is. And the subject is she. Though the statement is affirmative, you have to write down the negative form of the tag. Is plus not. Shuman shuman isn't. So isn't. This is the answer of the tag. Then now statement tag. If the statement is affirmative, then the tag will be negative. If the statement is negative and the tag will affirmative. I want to got my point. So if the statement is you are not a fool, comma dash জিজ্ঞাসা চিহ্ন. Here is the statement and the statement is negative and it is the helping verb. Then you have to write are you. Have you got my point? So, in a tag question, if the statement is affirmative, then the tag will be negative. And if the statement is negative, then the tag will be affirmative. If there is no helping verb, she reads a novel, comma dash জিজ্ঞাসা চিহ্ন. There is no helping verb here, but this is the principal verb, and according to the principal verb, it is present. The statement is present indefinite, and in present indefinite the helping verb do or
does.
According to the principal verb we can take does. Though here is though this statement is affirmative, then does plus not equal to doesn't. Then the answer will be doesn't she. So whenever you will find the principal verb only, or the statement will not bear any helping verb, then you have to take the helping verb do, does, or did. This is the present
Indefinite.
indefinite and it is
Past indefinite.
past indefinite. Having to got my point. They came here yesterday. So here is came. Came is past indefinite. According to the principal verb, we have to take did. Though here is no negative form, then didn't. They. Here is the subject they. My parents give me a nice gift. Common application চিহ্ন. Here is my parents. My parents will be there and give present indefinite. They do. And that is no not. So don't.
They.
They. Have you got my point? This is the tag question. So the statement will be affirmative when the tag will be negative. If the sentence will be here now like this, Mr. Joshim is not an actor. Is he? Is he? Though here is not, so here is only he. If the statement is imperative sentence, if the statement is imperative sentence, then the tag will be, what will be? Go there, comma dash, will eat. In the imperative sentence, you may use will you, may you, or won't,
N. W. N.
won't you,
Won't you?
may
You.
you may use anyone. But if there is negative form, do not tell a lie. Here is not, so you must have to use will you. As there is no subject in the imperative sentence, so you have to use the subject you. As there is no subject in imperative sentence, then you have to use you. But whenever you will find the subject of the imperative sentence, let us go there. We. As if we make ask in a subjective form, then it will be we. And shall we or shall we. Haven't you got my point? If there is exclamatory sentence, what a nice
bird,
bird it is. Then what is the subject? Subject is it, and the helping verb is
is
is. So is it?
it,
Is. If the subject is everybody, everybody likes flower, then likes means does, and everybody is there, but there does not, there does, they are only do. So
don't
don't they. Haven't you got my point? Don't
they.
There are some words. The words bears negative form in the affirmative sense. A barking dog seldom bites. Pause.